Hello, I am an AI-generated speaking character made by Oberly YouTube channel.
In this video we are going to learn how to create an AI character and make it speak so we can use it and make a faceless YouTube channel.
To create an animated speaking character, we need a character first, and for that, we can use a variety of AI tools. But today, I'm going to take a shortcut to make your life even easier. So let's start with Lexica. So as you can see here, we have lots of free images available. We can either use one of them, or we can search or create a new one using the search bar. So here I am searching for a cool girl wearing black jacket with black hair. So here you can see I have got lots of images to select from, and now I am browsing for the one I like. Okay, so this one looks good to me. Tell me in the comment, is it good, or you think I should have selected some different picture? So as you can see now, I have got the image what I like now before I make her speak. I need to remove the background so I could later add the background of my choice. For this, there are a bunch of free options online, but I am going to select the remove, as it's my all-time favorite. So as you can see, it removed the beige in a jiffy. I just need to add a green color background so I can make it transparent later to use in my video. Now, it's ready, so let's make here speak now. Let's search for Did AI on Google and click on the first link you see, open it. Scroll a bit down and click on Create Free AI Videos. Okay, so after this, you just need to click on Guest and sign up. I am signing up using Google as its big time saver. After you signed up now, you just need to add the image of the character you created. Now just need to write the script. Once done now, you just need to select the voice of your choice and select style. After that, click on Generate and do this once again, and here you get your first speaking character. So, did you like it? Use the comment tab and tell me. Now let me show you something even more exciting on this tool. But before this, I must tell you that there is also an option to upload your audio. So you do not need to type it all. And like this, it will create a voice from the audio of your voice. So here I am done with another voice. That is, I tried with my own voice, and the results were mind-blowing. Check it out. Okay, so now come back to that exciting thing I was talking about. Here you can see the presenter, which are available for free to use. But there are a few with the tag HU on them. Means you can change background of them, while for others you can't change background color. So here I am selecting one. So it's done including green background so I could make it transparent in video editor later. So that's it for now. Please do tell me your comments that did you like this video or not? And do you want me to create more of such videos, and tell me what more topics you need videos so I could do that? Please hit the like button and subscribe.